important to include women in landscape restoration because especially in rural communities, women leaders are very important in the relationship of caring for the environment.
50% of the people that live and depend on the forests that we're going to be working with are women. Their voices are important, their knowledge is important, and their full engagement and participation to move forward these actions in a more appropriate way is fundamental in any type of work that is being done on restoration.
Women are more or less marginalized of this whole process of building a restoration economy in Brazil. This workshop is being held in Brazil because we are working with the states, the Brazilian states, to support them in the process of developing subnational restoration strategies. So we are having the opportunity to implement Rome as a tool that will support state governments in this process of putting together subnational strategies on restoration.
What we hope that the participants will take out of this process is a clear pathway and a set of actions within their work plan to ensure that gender equality and women empowerment principles are embedded, weaved through their work on restoration that they're doing in Brazil.
I'm actually in this learning curve. This is a very innovative approach, I think. This aspect of involving women directly in landscape restoration and recuperation of forests, it's very new. So I think the sharing information is crucial as we build on lessons learned and we learn from experiences already on the ground to expand and really make this concept mainstreamed.
The know-how is important. That's why we're here to develop exactly what are those steps that will ensure that that process is fully incorporated and it's an integral part, not an annex, not a different component, but embedded through and weaved throughout the whole actions that are being implemented at the moment in Brazil.
O Brasil possui políticas para a questão de gênero e possui políticas para a questão de combate ao desmatamento. Então, hoje, esse workshop está sendo aqui, ele vai permitir a união desses dois segmentos, né? A questão de gênero e o combate ao desmatamento. E é um grande prazer estar aqui. Eu acho que nós estamos fazendo história e eu espero que isso, como uma onda, se dissemine para o mundo todo.
So we have this opportunity to work with people that don't have the responsibility of take care of all the families. So they are very enthusiastic about new possibilities.
IUCN, with other of its partners, are breaking the ground. We are now defining the how. Not only that there is a mandate, but really working with the teams and defining how this is going to look like and how we're going to make a difference.
So the work that is being undertaken here is going to produce lessons that are going to be really useful to change the reality of a lot of people in different countries, in different states, in different regions of the world.
I think this is the next frontier for us when we look at the landscape approach to integrate policies in the territorial levels and harmonizing the impacts of these policies at the local level, but also at national level, to increase the probability of really building sustainable landscapes. And we think that the role of women in this approach is fundamental.